Nokia 2710 Navigator Disassembly screen replacement.
First remove your back cover, battery, SIM and memory card. Next remove the two Torx 4 screws you can see, circled below. Now run something like the edge of a credit card all the way around the join of the front cover in order to release it with the front cover removed. Your phone should look like below. Now remove the 4 screws you have access to, circled below. Lever the circuit board from the points indicated by the arrows. Then lift the circuit board away from the phone's chassis. Your phone should now look like below. The small parts, earpiece, GPS antenna, speaker and main antenna, can be levered out of the chassis, as you can see below. Now turn the circuit board over and disconnect the 2 circled ribbons. Each ribbon attaches like a plug and socket, so simply lever each one up, away from the circuit board. To unplug the LCD screen and frame will now be free, as shown below. If you need to replace the keypad board, first apply some heat using a hair gun or hairdryer. Then peel the part away from the frame. The keypad board is now free. Disassembly is now complete. Reverse the whole procedure for reassembly. If you've found this disassembly guide useful, please support formimobile.co.uk and order the tools and parts you need from our site. We ship worldwide.